Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send BUSD from Phantom Wallet to XMO in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance USD tokens smoothly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Open the app and connect it to your Ethereum network, since BUSD is an ERC20 token. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the BUSD token from your asset list. You'll see your balance. Great, now we're ready to send. Next, head over to the XMO Exchange website or app. Log in to your XMO account and go to the deposit section. Look for BUSD under the available cryptocurrencies. Copy the deposit address provided by XMO. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify that you're copying the correct network, like BEP20 or ERC20, to match your Phantom Wallet setup. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, click on the Send button for your BUSD. Paste the XMO deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but don't forget to leave some for network fees. Those can vary in 2025 based on blockchain congestion. Review the details carefully, then hit Confirm to broadcast the transaction. After sending, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your XMO account, depending on network conditions. Once it shows up, you're all set. That's it for this guide. Sending BUSD from Phantom to XMO doesn't have to be complicated. If you follow these steps, you'll be trading in no time. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe out there and happy trading.